Is the really low unemployment rate the reason why we haven't seen interest rates fall yet in Canada? If you're currently holding a variable rate mortgage or you're up for renewal soon, you're probably wondering, when are rates going to fall? The 22-year high in Canada's prime rate has caused financial hardship for many households across the country. And in today's video, I'm going to touch upon one metric we need to look out for to hopefully see the Bank of Canada start dropping that prime rate. We hear a lot of economists say that we need a contraction within the economy and a drop in the inflation rate to really see those interest rates come down. But if we had to kind of break it down into one thing that would really bring rates down, it's probably a significant rise in unemployment. This is because when we see an increase in the unemployment rate, this actually decreases the competition that we see in the workplace, and it also reins in consumer spending as well as workers' wages. And when we see consumers stop spending as much money, this takes pressure off things such as raw materials as well as supply chains. And when demand becomes low, businesses can't get away with charging more to the consumer. Ultimately, this should really bring down prices and inflation to that 2% target. Stats Canada will be releasing their unemployment rate come April 6th, and the expectation is a 5.1% unemployment rate. A 5.1% unemployment rate is still relatively really low, and the labor market still remains very tight. So where do we need to see the unemployment rate get to in order to see rates fall? Benjamin Tal believes that we need to see an unemployment rate reach 6 to 6.5% before the Bank of Canada can really start dropping rates. Now the next question is, how long will this take to reach 6 to 6.5%? Benjamin Tal thinks this can happen in less than 6 months to reach these higher unemployment numbers. If we see inflation head in the right direction as well as unemployment keep rising, the Bank of Canada still might wait a little bit longer just to make sure inflation is dead before dropping those rates. Now we need to watch what the Federal Reserve does because we don't want to devalue our loonie too much compared to the US dollar. But it looks like unemployment is a really good gauge to kind of measure if we will see a rate drop soon. My name is Cortez Ranieri. I'm a real estate agent here in the Oakville, Burlington, and Hamilton area. And if you're thinking about getting into the market or you just want to chat about real estate, you can shoot me an email down below. And if you found value in this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more to come. Thanks so much for watching.